Okay, so now we'll be talking about the Excel syntax. So a formula in Excel is used to do mathematical calculations. Formulas always start with the equals to sign, which I told you before, and the equals to sign will be typed in a cell followed by your calculations. So let's do a calculation now. I have equals to 1 plus 1. If I press enter, can you see that it gives me 2? Can you see? Let me do it again. I have equals to, if I press 1 plus 1, you see that it won't give me anything. It just write 1 plus 1 because it was because I don't add the equals to sign. That's why it did not calculate it for me. So if I put equals to 1 plus 1, press enter, can you see that it gave me 2? I can do 2 plus 2. Can you see that? Oh, I did not add my equals to sign. Can you see? So if I add my equals to sign and press enter, can you see that it gave me 4? So the same thing for minus. I can do 7, I can do equals to 7 minus 9 and I press enter. Can you see give me minus 2? The same thing for times too. I can say equals to 7 times 3. I press enter. Can you give me 21? The same thing for all the sign. So using formulas with cells. So for example now, if I have 309 and I have 39, I have here 320, I have here 35. So now I want to add these two together. What just to, I'll just say equals to, like, okay, I want to minus this and this, 309 and 35. I can just say equals to this minus 35 and I'll press enter. It will give me 274. Can you see? 274. So if I check my formula bar, A6 minus B7, so A6 fall under 309. This is A6. Can you see A6? And this one, my 35 is B7. So that's A6 minus B7, that's 274. So the result after it is the enter button is that. So let me give you another example. Another example is how to minus 320 minus 39. So I can just say equals to 320 minus 39. I press enter. Can you see that I give you 281? Can you see? 281. So the next one. So here are some examples. So if I say if 2 plus 4 6, so you'll be trying that by yourself. So that's all about Excel. Though that's not all about Excel syntax. This is just the introduction to Excel syntax. So